Here's how we can trim ringtone on the iPhone. Let me guide you through the best way we can do this. And if this is your first time here on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So in iOS 26, which by the way, if you don't have that version, you most definitely need to update it because the ringtones work much better here. So the way that it functions now is that, for example, if you go to your Files app and locate any audio MP3 file, you can hold it down on it and click on Share and literally use it as a ringtone. So if you have any audio file stored, which is shorter than 30 seconds, it doesn't work for 30 seconds and above, but if you have that, you can just choose it to be your ringtone. So that's already a nice plus. It didn't work that way before, but you know, it might happen that the audio is either longer than those 30 seconds, or you want to choose a selective specific part of that audio to be your ringtone. And for that, we need to use a third-party audio editor because we don't really have one built in. So there are more of them available on the App Store. Just most of them get the job done, and just find the one you like the most. I like to use this one, and I can easily just add the audio track in here from my files, right? I can literally just import it from the Files app as such and perform some changes to it. So I can, for example, just shorten it down like this, work with it in here, and then I'm going to click on export. I'm going to choose the quality and like the file type, whatever. And of course, the whole point is that we want to export that edited audio in the Files app, where I again have the ability to choose it as a ringtone. But now the point is that it has been changed, edited, and trimmed for the perfect result that we wanted, and now I can select it to be my ringtone. So that is how I would do it in the latest iOS 26. Let me know what you think about this method below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.